Oh! Who started that? Me?
Huh?
It's my fault?
Ran out wrong.
I started that?
Yeah, you did. I don't know. What's going on, my dog?
I started that.
Who, me?
You did it or I did it?
We got hype. It's the heat of the moment.
You did it?
It's the heat of the moment.
Who started it?
Me? You seen me do it?
Oh, he didn't see me though. It ain't my fault.
No. I was gonna go down with Z. I was gonna start up here and go down with Z, but he didn't come out. So I just slid, and when I slid, I ain't gonna lie, I gassed it too much.
Yeah.
So what I was gonna do when I slid, I was gonna slide into here. But when I slid into here, I ain't see her around the wall, and she was right there. Boom. But when I tried to slide out of the way, I swear to God, it looked like she, like,
She don't want to move the car at all.
That's what I'm saying.
She don't want to move the car because all these people right here. She gonna use that as.
Yeah, she called the police. I'm telling her all you gotta do is call out. My boy said all you gotta do is call insurance company.
Where's CJ at?
I'll pay her whatever the fuck she need to be paid, and then that's it. We gotta call the police.
We gotta get CJ. I think she don't understand. She probably ain't got no license.
CJ down there. Man, such an unfortunate turn of events. So unfortunate. It's your fault. You started with that loud ass exhaust.
Oh, sir. Oh, I had no parts in that.
Everybody got their
I don't got the video you hitting. I got the video of me running up to see what you was doing, and then I heard the smack.
Okay, guys.
What happened?
Just talk to her.
Hello? She just shocked. She shook. She not hurt. You can't say that somebody faking.
My car, look at my car and look at her car, bro. Look at my car and look at her car, bro.
Yo, you fucked up, bro. Just eat it.
And them headlights cost like $800 a pop too. They ain't cheap to run.
No, why would I run? I got in full coverage.
Oh! No! No!
Back your car up a little bit. Fuck!
Bro, you straight?
I ain't even see her, bro. I ain't even see her, bro. I tried to slide in here and slide in here and then slide around the thing, bro. I swear to God, I was not seeing her. I literally tried to slide in here and then slide my car sideways right here and come around the lot. Yeah.
They didn't get the light up there.
Yeah, it's a light. It's just a light, bro. I'm finna get the Wi-Fi.
You okay?
Huh? That's what I'm trying to let, but she not moving.
Hey, tell me what's up.
Oh.
Yeah, you good.
So they can move at least. Dice que se le puede dar paso para el poder parquear. Está todavía aquí.
Shit ain't that bad. She's just gonna need a bumper.
My shit is one fucked up.
She might not even need a bumper. She can get that. Yeah. Crack.
Her shit is just a. Yeah. My shit is fucked. I should have went straight.
I should have never did that shit. Every time I start some shit, It never fails, bro.
You always
Every
starting
time I
somebody
start some
shit.
shit, it get crazy.
I'm about to
I'll
post
take
you.
it. I'll take it.
I'm about to post you. I'm about to put you on Instagram.
Fuck
You
it.
always
Niggas all.
starting shit.
So come on now, man.
What happened right now? What happened?
Never happened. This nigga, man, I'm riding. Get the ass up,
Man, I'm gonna eat that one, man. That's on me,
Always.
man. Every time I turn up, some shit happens afterwards, man. It never fucking fails, man. That's on me. I'm gonna eat that. I'm not paying nothing, but I'm gonna eat that. You know, morally, I'm gonna eat that. But you know, shout out to him and her. They both good. Damn, shit sucks, man. It's unfortunate, but it comes with this game, man. It comes with this game.
I'm not running. I could have ran.
It comes with this game. So,
I didn't run enough.
you know, we're gonna tap in, make sure everybody good. I'll be right back.
I got it.